Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we break down every single detail so you know exactly what you're getting before you spend your money. Today we are looking at something absolutely extraordinary. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury double-decker motorhome, and I am telling you right now, nothing on the road comes close to this machine. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a travel lover, or you just appreciate the finest things in life, this one is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get into every detail. Exterior. Starting from the outside, and honestly the moment you lay eyes on this vehicle, your jaw is going to drop. Mercedes-Benz has gone all in on this design. The body is finished in a deep matte gunmetal gray, and running along every edge and accent panel is a bold gold and yellow trim that catches the light in the most dramatic way possible. The front fascia is massive. We are talking about a full double-height front grille section with the iconic Mercedes three-pointed star sitting right in the center. Chrome finished and absolutely commanding. The headlights are large, circular, and wrapped in gold detailing that ties the whole front end together perfectly. Moving down the sides, you immediately notice the sheer scale of this coach. The lower deck sits at conventional motorhome height, but above it rises a full second level with panoramic windows running the entire length. These windows are tinted and wide, giving a greenhouse effect that floods the upper living spaces with natural light. On the right-hand side there is a full fold-out staircase in polished gold metal leading up to an open-air terrace, a proper outdoor living space with glass balcony. Railings, ideal for parking up in a scenic location and enjoying a sunset with a drink in hand. At the rear, the design continues with the same attention to detail. Large panoramic glass spans the back of the upper deck, and the rear bumper is deeply integrated into the lower body for a smooth, intentional finish. Then there are the wheels, and these deserve a special mention. This motorhome rides on a triple rear axle setup, with massive custom gold multi-spoke alloy rims and low-profile tires. They look almost like something off a luxury sports car, and they give the whole vehicle an incredibly planted, authoritative stance. Every angle of this exterior screams engineering, ambition, and class. Interior. Step inside and the luxury hits you instantly. The lower deck main living area is finished in premium cream leather and dark walnut wood panels. There is an oversized curved sectional sofa in Italian leather that wraps around a central coffee table, with ambient LED lighting built into the ceiling and the base of every piece of furniture, all glowing in warm gold tones. The panoramic side windows have smart electric blinds, and opposite the seating is a full floating media wall housing an 85-inch 8K display. The flooring is a marble effect tile that feels incredibly solid underfoot, not at all what you expect when you're inside a vehicle. The kitchen is a proper full-size galley kitchen. We are not talking about a compact camper setup here. There is a professional-grade induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, an integrated full-size refrigerator, and quartz countertops with a waterfall edge in matte white. The cabinetry is dark matte with gold hardware, and there's under-cabinet LED lighting throughout. A window sits directly above the sink, giving you a view outside while you cook, which is a beautiful touch. Head up the interior staircase to the upper deck and you enter the master bedroom suite. A king-size bed sits centrally with premium white linen, a dark walnut headboard with integrated LED backlighting, and gold accent throw pillows. Beside the bed are floating shelves with wireless charging and ambient lighting. The ceiling has recessed starlight LEDs that create a genuinely relaxing atmosphere. Adjacent to the bedroom is a full en-suite bathroom rainfall shower with frameless glass, vessel sink with a gold faucet, heated marble effect floors, and a backlit mirror. Then there is the upper deck lounge, a social space with floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows on three sides, a built-in bar with backlit crystal shelving, velvet modular seating, and direct access to the outdoor terrace. This upper level is on another level entirely. It genuinely feels like a five-star hotel suite that happens to have wheels. Driver cockpit. The driver's cockpit is equally impressive. The panoramic curved windshield gives the driver an enormous field of view, and the dashboard is wrapped in carbon fiber and premium black leather with gold trim accents. There is a full digital instrument cluster, a multifunction Mercedes steering wheel, a large central touchscreen console managing everything from climate to the 360-degree camera system, and an overhead control panel for the auxiliary systems. The adjustable air suspension controls are accessible directly from the cockpit, allowing the driver to fine-tune the ride height depending on road conditions. Even the driver's experience in this vehicle is premium. Performance. Under the hood, this motorhome is built on a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz commercial truck chassis with a turbocharged inline-6 diesel engine producing approximately 530 horsepower and over 1,800 Newton-meters of torque. That is the kind of pulling power you need when you are moving a structure this size down the highway. The transmission is a smooth 9-speed automatic, and the suspension system is a fully active air suspension setup that automatically adjusts to road surface changes, keeping the interior ride serene regardless of what the road throws at it. Top speed is electronically limited to around 120 km per hour, which makes perfect sense for a vehicle of this scale and weight. The triple rear axle not only handles the load distribution but also gives the vehicle remarkable stability even in crosswind conditions. Fuel economy is not the strong point here, sitting around 18 to 22 liters per 100 kilometers, but frankly, if you are buying this vehicle, fuel economy is probably not your primary concern. Price. Now let's talk about the number that most people are most curious about: the price. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury double-decker motorhome starts at approximately $2.8 million for the base configuration. A fully loaded version with every optional extra: the premium sound system, the expanded solar power setup, the satellite internet system, the upgraded kitchen appliances, and the custom exterior paint can push north of $4 million. These vehicles are produced in extremely limited numbers, with each one essentially built to the buyer's specification. Delivery timelines from order to completion are currently sitting at around 12 to 18 months, and Mercedes operates a dedicated VIP concierge service for buyers throughout the entire process. Verdict. So what is the verdict on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz luxury double-decker motorhome? Honestly, calling this a motorhome almost feels like an insult. This is a moving luxury estate. The exterior design is bold, dramatic, and completely unique. The interior is on par with the finest boutique hotels in the world. The performance engineering is serious and capable, and the price, while astronomical for most of us, reflects something that is genuinely one of a kind. If you are in the market and the budget is there is absolutely nothing else on the market that comes close. That is the review for today. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling us what you think of this incredible machine. We will see you in the next one.